Hey everyone, this is Kellen from electricwheelchairsusa.com. In this video, we want to do a little ride along to show you more details and really a first-person point of view of ComfyGo's popular power wheelchair. It's called the IQ-9000 Plus. Now there's the IQ-9000, which is a manual folding power wheelchair. The IQ-9000 Plus is a power wheelchair that has an auto recline feature, which we're going to show you here in just a moment. Now, before we get into the video, I just want to let you know we do have a physical catalog that we can send to you of our top selling products. So if you go to the top of our website, click on free catalog, fill out your information, and it takes about 10 days to get to you once we have that. And you can also call us to provide that information as well if you'd like. So let's get into it. I'm going to show you some more about this. First thing I'm going to show you is on the back here, you can see this is a hydraulic mechanism. This is the auto recline feature. And I'm going to show you how to recline it here. So this power wheelchair can support 310 pounds of weight. It is also approved for airline travel. It can go up to 19 miles on a single charge. The top speed is 4 miles per hour. And there are 4 different frame colors and 8 different cushion colors that you can choose from. So you can customize the look of your power chair. So when you go to checkout, you can select the frame color you'd like and the cushion color. This chair has, this is an upgraded textile cushion. So it comes with this standard cushion, which is black. It's more of like a mesh material. Now these upgraded cushions have a nice stitching, and they're easy to clean. So if you spilt something on here, it's easy to wipe off. But when you do get the chair, you do get the standard cushion as well. So what a lot of people do is they'll actually push, I don't have the cushion here, but you can put it underneath of the seat. So you have double the cushion, or you can even put the cushion on the seat back as well. It's a nice sleek digital display. So you have your power button. This is your speed control. So you can turn your speed control up or down. This is your horn. And you can lock it in place, which I'm not sure how to lock it right now, but it is in the manual. Now, as far as the auto recline, so it's kind of hard to see, but you can see right now the wheel is lit up here. So when you have the wheel lit up, you can operate the chair through the joystick. Now, if you want to use the auto recline feature, you can't use that at the same time. So what you have to do is hold this in, this button right here, and you can see now this seat back is now lit up. And when I do that, I can recline the seat just like this. And it actually goes back pretty far. So some people might want this for, increased blood circulation. And it's really the only folding power wheelchair that I'm aware of in the industry that has this auto recline feature. So now I'm just pushing the seat back up, and then I want to get it back into that drive position. So I'm going to hold this down again. So now you can see the wheel is lit up. Now I can operate the chair. A couple things to note. It's a powerful power wheelchair in that there's 2 motors. Each one is 250 watts, so it's combined, it's a 500 watts worth of power. A lot of power wheelchairs don't have that much power, which is great. It can climb up 10-degree inclines. We've tested this a few times. I think it can go up a little bit further than 10 degrees. I would say probably closer to 15. It also depends on the weight of the rider. Now, I am a tall rider, and I always like to point this out. So the footrest is actually adjustable. So you can adjust it out. So if I adjust it out to the longest position, now this is the longest position, so this would be good for me. And just to give you more of a vantage point of this. So again, I'm 6'4", I weigh about 235. So this is how it looks for me. I would say, I think this is fine for me. This headrest is adjustable, so you can adjust it up or down. So if I adjust it to the tallest position, and I use this recline, That fits me perfectly at 6'4". So my head can touch the headrest, and this is comfortable. So if I'd say if you're, you know, maybe if you're a little bit taller, 6'5", you could probably sit in this just fine. But at 6'4", 235, this is perfectly fine. The seat on this is 18 inches wide, so it's 18 inches by 18 inches. In between the armrests, it's about 20 and a half inches. But the actual seat itself is 18 by 18. There is some storage on here. So I'm gonna take off this little calf pad, just give you a little calf support. Right here is a zipper pouch. It's a pretty decent size storage pouch. You can put a large purse in here. Right now we just have the manual. One thing I'll say about the manual is ComfyGo has done a great job of making sure that this is easy to understand. They put a lot of thought into the manual. I have the charger in here. So there's two ways to charge it. You can charge it on the joystick directly if you want. The other way to charge it, you can remove the batteries and charge the batteries off of the unit. Well, first of all, I'm gonna turn off the power chair. So if I lift this up, I can take it off. There's two batteries on here. So they're easy to remove. And this is actually another piece that comes with the chair. So you can charge, this is the power supply, right? So the power supply, it's gonna come plugged into just one of these batteries. This piece, if you want to use the maximum range of 19 miles, you have to use this to plug into each of the batteries. Now with the charger, there's a piece that plugs into this, and it comes out, and then it'll plug into your the charger, so you can charge this off of the unit, but you can only charge one battery at a time. That's the only downside I see, instead of charging both simultaneously. It takes about 4 to 6 hours to fully charge each battery, so something to keep in mind. But I'm gonna actually put these back in and show you how simple this is. There's a little Velcro piece right here that connects to this bar in the back. So I got one in. And I'll connect this other one in. And then take this. This is an important piece that you should definitely use to get that maximum range. Plug those back in. Now we have your power supply. Obviously the foot plate does flip up for easy entering and exiting the seat. And now I can turn this on. So let me put this calf pad back on. I'll show you one of my favorite parts about this chair. And it's really all of these IQ models within ComfyGo's Majestic series. There is a remote. This is an attendant remote. So in order to turn this on and use this, you can actually operate the chair. Everything that you can do from the joystick, you can do from this. So in order to do that, you first have to have the joystick turned on first, and then I can hold this power button down. And you can see now it's lit up. And this would mimic the joystick. So I can operate it this way. A lot of caretakers that have an attendant joystick, it's usually secured to the back of the chair, like right here. And you have to operate it like this. But with this, you don't have to stand behind them. You can actually be in front of them and talk to them like this, or you can walk alongside of them and talk to them. Another great thing about the chair is that it actually has a pretty far range. You can actually control this up to about 100 feet away. So I'll demonstrate and show you. Cushion's easy to remove and clean. So imagine you're a caretaker and you had somebody in there, you can just control them, bring them to you. This is also good if, like, say for example, you're eating dinner at your kitchen table and you're sitting in your chair and you want to bring your chair to you, you can use this to actually bring the chair to you. The only thing is that you have to turn on the joystick and then you have to turn this on.
Quick announcement, we're giving away a free scooter. Here's how to enter. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Like this video to show some love. Comment below with your thoughts on the video and you'll be entered automatically. Stay tuned and good luck. Now let's continue with the video.
So I'm going to continue to use this, and I think this is also good if you can't control the joystick. Like say you had some type of medical condition where you could not do it. Like some people can't, and maybe they have muscular dystrophy or some type of something to where they can't use the actual joystick. You can use this and you can press it against your chest like this and operate it this way. This chair also handles grass well, as long as it's not high grass. It doesn't have to be on a flat surface. This is a paved decline. We can go up the incline on the other side here. Now before I show you this, one thing I wanted to point out is, now because it's airline approved, you can see previously I showed you how easy it is to remove the batteries. Because when you're flying with this, the airline is going to require you to remove the batteries and take them off and bring them on board with you. And then you would fold the power wheelchair and provide it to the airline. There's also a protective travel cover you can get. And with the travel cover, when you fold it up, you put it into that cover, and that just secures it from getting banged up, with the airline. Sometimes airlines can be careless. So if you want to travel with this and use it when you're going on vacation or whatnot, I would get the travel bag. One thing I wanted to point out to you as well, the joystick is connected right here. So I like this feature because the joystick can be, it sticks out, so it's easy for it to get, damaged. So I can actually take this off. So I would take this off and the batteries and bring them on with you. It's easy to swap it. If you're left-handed, you can put it on the left side. So really easy to do. And you just use this little clamp and secure it into place. And then I'll probably take this wire and put it in like on this side. I had it out here, it's kind of sticking out. So I'm gonna put it in like this. And then you just line up the male part with the female part. And then you just simply use this little knob to spin it and just lock it into place this way. And now I can turn it back on. Another feature is the armrest flip up. This is great for transfers. If you're transferring to another seat or we want to get in and out easily, easy to flip them up. So I know the total width of the chair is 26 inches. So something to keep in mind. Now, if you get the manual folding version, it's a little slimmer. I think it's closer to like 23, 24, but the auto recline feature, it is 26 inches. When it's folded flat, which I have not showed you that, it's super easy to fold. I'm actually gonna flip up the foot plate first and then turn this around so you can see. And then turn off the joystick. There is a little latch right here. So all you have to do is lift this up and then it just folds flat. So when you're traveling with this, I think the height from this bar right here, it's about 24 inches. Now when you travel with this, another thing I would suggest is remove the headrest. It's really easy to do. You just loosen these two pins and it pops right out. You just got to keep the bolts. But I'm just gonna lock it back into place. And then obviously to unfold, I just pull it up from this top bar on the seat back. And then you just want to make sure this is clamped into place so it's locked in. You also have some adjustable anti-tip wheels. So you can use this clamp, you can adjust it to this position down here, which is a little lower to the ground, or I had it up here. So there's two positions. So this is just a good safety measure, to prevent you from tipping backwards if you were to use the like the auto recline, or if you're going up a steep incline. This is also where your freewheel lever is. So if you want to put it in manual, right now it's in the drive position. Both of these are flipped up. If you want to put it into neutral, you push both of these down. And now, let's say you wanted to take a break from your power chair. You can use this as a walker now. So you can kind of walk it, and it has a little bit of friction, so it's not like super loose, but it gives you a little bit of support. So I like this a lot. I'm gonna actually put it back in the drive position, because one thing I forgot to tell you about the remote. So let me turn this back on, and I'm gonna turn the remote back on. So I'm gonna hold this in, and now it's lit up. So if I press this B, this will control the seat back. So now I can recline it through the remote, which is very nice. So you have the option of using the joystick or the remote, and everything you can do on the joystick, you can do on the remote. I'm actually gonna turn this off for now. So I use only the joystick, and just get back to this kind of first person point of view. So I know I was gonna go up this incline here, so we'll go up this incline on the other side. Right now we're going down. So now you can see this incline. I don't know what this is, but I would say this is probably 10 degrees. And now I'm just riding right up. You can see it's really easy. It handles this just fine. Now, if you did this in the grass, it's probably not gonna work as well. But if it's a smooth paved surface, no problem. It's got a great turning radius. You can see it basically just turns right on a dime. Great for indoor use. So if you're not traveling, it's good for indoors. Like if you had to go down like a narrow hallway and you need to turn around, it's easy just to completely turn around and go the opposite direction. We have an exclusive agreement with ComfyGo. So for all of their folding power wheelchairs, including all the IQ models that are in the Majestic series, we offer a 7-day free trial. So in order to take advantage of the 7-day free trial, you're going to purchase it like you normally would. And then once you receive it, you have 7 days to try it. Now you must try it indoors. Something to keep in mind, you also want to keep all of your packaging. Don't throw away the packaging. But once you've had it for 7 days, if you don't like the way it fits you, or there's something about the chair you don't like, no problem. Give us a call. We'll send you a prepaid return label, and you can send this back. And once it's received and it's been inspected to make sure it's not damaged, you'll get a full refund. So this is a no-risk way to try this out. And again, that is exclusive to us at Electric Wheelchairs USA. We're so confident in the ComfyGo brand that you're gonna like this product, and that's why we're able to offer that. On January 15th, we are giving away a free mobility scooter. Now, the way you are eligible for that free giveaway is you have to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also comment on a video. It can be any video. Once you've done that, you'll be automatically entered into the drawing, which we are doing January 15th. And that's just a way of us giving back to our community, and we're really excited for that. If you have any questions about this IQ-9000 with the auto recline from ComfyGo, or really any of ComfyGo's products, give us a call. We're open every single day from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern. We have agents standing by. We're very knowledgeable about the ComfyGo brand. They're one of our top selling brands. We love working with ComfyGo. Their support is awesome. They take care of the end user and they honor the warranty. They're gonna do the right thing always. And we love working with companies like that. So if you have any questions, give us a call. Our phone number is 1-800-682-9444, or just simply visit us at electricwheelchairsusa.com. Thanks for watching. You guys have a great day.